Hello and welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. Today I'd like to show you my next project. This is a diamond painting from Onedaysaving, and it is of a seahorse. It is a 30 by 40 full round drill. So I haven't done any diamond paintings from this company before, so I'm really keen to get stuck into this one and see how it goes. But I'm very happy with the canvas and the glue and the symbols. I think this is going to turn out really nice. So this particular video is going to be a kit up through to works in progress through to a review. So I'm going to do the whole lot in one video. So I'm going to show you how I kit up my normal drill diamond paintings, because I do my special drills a little bit differently, but this is pretty straightforward. But I'll show you how I do that, and like I said, I'll be continuing on for the rest of the stuff that I'll be doing. So I will get this guy out of the way. I'll pop him over there because I need to keep an eye on the symbol legend there. So to start off with, I have my drills, I have my scissors, I have my containers. So I'm just going to use these guys here that I got from Kmart. Very handy, and it's 12 in each one, so I've got 2 containers. And I have my tray just in case, and I have these. So this is what I use to kit up with. These are my little labels. They are 10mm by 16mm labels, and they come in this box here. You get stacks and stacks, 1,500, so it does you for a while. And I just got that from my local news agency for about $5. So I just find that size works perfectly to fit on all my containers actually. So I have that, and I have this. So I've gone ahead and I've written up, and I don't know if that's going to focus, it's got everything in the background. But anyway, I've got the symbol and I've got the DMC color on the same sticker because I might need that information at a later date, and I'm already writing it up anyway, so I may as well put the extra stuff on there just in case. So this is going to be pretty straightforward because they have color 1 is 1, color 2 is 2, color 3 is 3, and then it gets to color 9 is A, 10 is C. So it's already in order. If it wasn't in order, I would do them all and then review around and organize them in numerical order and alphabetical order. But it's already done for me, so too easy. So what I will do is I will start kitting these up. So simple. I'll just take them out of the packet. I've already counted these, made sure that I had the right number of colors. And all I'm going to do is, these are really well done because they're very clear. It tells you the diamond painting number, and it also tells you the color number. Too easy. So I'm just going to find number 1. Number 1. Color number 1. Cutting it off, throwing them over there. Get out my screw top container, get my sticker, whack her on there, and I just snip and pour, and hope there's no static. And that's it. Nice and easy to see. And I just whack her in there in numerical order. And then I go on to the next one. So all finished. I love how this turned out. Really, really happy with it. I just loved it. I loved the image. I loved the drills. I loved the colors. With the canvas, I found that the glue was nice and sticky. Love the image, the grid. There was plenty of room for your drills, and there's still a little bit of a wave in there. I tried to flatten it under books like I normally do when I get my diamond paintings, but I was too impatient with this one, so after about a day I pulled it out and started drilling. So but that's, I mean, it flattened out pretty well after one day, so I was happy with that. Now the drills. So the drills, I cannot fault them. They were fabulous. They were uniform. They're shiny, so I don't know if you can see. It doesn't do it justice really, but they're nice and shiny. The colors are really nice. So you're getting some nice definition in there with your 24 colors. And I was just really surprised actually. They were all the same size. I had very little that were rejects, so I'll show those to you in a second. But I had no problem with this. I don't have anything negative to say about it. I had no issues. So I'm very, very happy with this diamond painting. So what I'll do is I'll flip her over and we'll have a look at the leftover drills. So you can see the wave in there, but that'll eventually iron itself out. So there's my rejects. That's it. So they just had like a little bit of a funny wispy bit on it, really. That was about it. Not too bad, eh? So I had plenty of drills left over. Let's bring them on over here. 1, 2. So as you can see, there was plenty left over. This was one of the main colors. There's stacks left over on that one. You can just see that shine. That's so lovely. Another main color. So they were all the background colors. There wasn't much. I didn't use much of that one. But you can see there's plenty left over. No worries at all. So I'm super duper happy with this diamond painting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I kit this down. It's pretty basic and straightforward with this one because it's all like in numeric order and DMC colors, but I'll just give you an idea of how I do it. So what I do is I have my drills and I have some small resealable bags. So I just usually use these guys. I think I've got smaller ones as well. Do I have smaller ones? Just basic. So I've got a handful of those. And all I do, very, very simple. I'll zoom you in so you can have a bit of a closer look. So all I do is I take this guy here and I peel off the sticker. So these containers are really good and the labels are really good too. They generally come off easy. So just peel it off and I just stick it on there. And I will zoom you back out because wow, that's really close. That's better. So I just stick it on there. And then I pour it in a Ziploc bag. Too easy. Now I used to not gather them up. So I used to collect the DMC colors, and I thought, hey, I'm just going to put them all in, like, this container has all the 917s and that one has all the 413s, so all my different diamond paintings, I'll put all the same color in there. That's a great idea. But what I didn't realize is that when I got all my 917s or 413s together, they were all different shades. So I had no idea which one was the real 917 or the real 413. So they were all different. So now I just put them in these little bags, and I save them for later. But this is basically all I do. Peel it off. It's a bit fiddly, but I mean, I suppose I could write out new little labels, but yeah, I'm going to throw them out anyway. So I'll just pop them in there. And then what I do is I put them in groups as I do it. So I've got all my pinks together, blues will be together, the creams or whatever will go together. And I put them in groups like that. So all my whites and creams go in there. My blues in there. And I save them for other projects. So that's pretty much how I do it in a nutshell. I do my special drills a bit different, but these guys, I do like that. And when I do my diamond dots, when I kit that down, I actually do have containers for each color, because with diamond dots, it's the same color that you get from every kit. So you can mix them all up and they're all the same color. So anyway, so that's how I do my kitting down. So I will keep going.